Most people dream of financial freedom. It's a vision that transcends borders and cultures, a universal aspiration that unites us all. Whether it's the desire to escape the daily grind, to break free from the chains of debt, or to simply have the freedom to make choices without financial constraints, the dream is powerful and compelling. They want to live without worrying about money. Imagine traveling the world, exploring new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and experiencing the beauty of different landscapes. The freedom to pack your bags and set off on an adventure at a moment's notice is a dream many hold dear. Picture spending time with loved ones. The ability to be present for family gatherings, to laugh with friends, and to create lasting memories without the stress of financial burdens is invaluable. It's about having the time and resources to nurture relationships and build a life filled with joy and connection. Think about pursuing your passions, whether it's painting, hiking, playing a musical instrument, or any other hobby that brings you joy. Financial freedom allows you to dedicate time to what you love. It's about living a life that's rich in experiences and personal fulfillment. Financial freedom makes these dreams possible. This is Michael's story. Michael achieved financial independence through determination and smart financial decisions. His journey is inspiring and serves as a testament to what is possible when you set your mind to it. He started with little knowledge. Like many of us, Michael didn't have all the answers at the beginning, but he was committed to learning and growing. He read books, attended seminars, and sought out mentors who could guide him on his path to financial freedom. He learned and adapted along the way. Michael's journey wasn't without its challenges, but he remained resilient. He adapted his strategies, learned from his mistakes, and kept pushing forward. His story is a powerful reminder that financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. His story can help you achieve your dreams. Let's dive in. By understanding Michael's journey, you can gain insights and inspiration to embark on your own path to financial freedom. It's time to take control of your financial future and make your dreams a reality. Michael grew up in a small town. It was the kind of place where everyone knew each other and life moved at a slower pace. The town had a charm of its own, with its quaint streets and friendly faces. But beneath the surface, there were challenges that many faced, including Michael and his family. Financial literacy wasn't taught in school. The education system focused on traditional subjects, leaving out essential life skills like managing money. Michael and his classmates were never given the tools to understand personal finance, budgeting, or saving. This gap in education would later prove to be a significant hurdle for many of them. He learned about money from his family. Around the dinner table, conversations often revolved around bills, expenses, and the constant struggle to make ends meet. His parents did their best to impart what little knowledge they had, but it was often a case of the blind leading the blind. They lived paycheck to paycheck. Saving wasn't a priority. Every dollar earned was a dollar spent on necessities, with little left over for emergencies or future plans. The concept of saving for a rainy day was a luxury they couldn't afford. Credit cards were a way of life. They became a crutch, a means to bridge the gap between paychecks. The ease of swiping a card masked the growing debt that loomed over them. It was a cycle that was hard to break, and many in the town found themselves trapped in it.
I started working after high school. Like many of my peers, I took on a job to support myself and help my family. The transition from school to work was swift, and there was little time to think about long-term goals or aspirations. Got a job at a local factory. It was one of the few steady employers in town, offering decent pay and benefits. The work was hard and the hours long, but it was a job, and that was what mattered most. The pay was decent, but I struggled to make ends meet. Despite working full-time, the cost of living and unexpected expenses always seemed to outpace my earnings. It was a constant juggling act, trying to keep everything balanced. I was stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. No matter how hard I worked, it felt like I was always one step behind. The stress of financial instability weighed heavily on me, affecting every aspect of my life. I felt trapped. I knew something had to change. The realization hit me hard one day as I sat alone contemplating my future. I couldn't continue down this path. It was time to take control of my finances and build a better future for myself.
One day Michael saw a flyer. It was for a financial seminar. The topic was unlocking financial freedom. He was curious. He decided to attend.
The seminar was eye-opening. I talked about budgeting, emphasized saving, and explained the power of investing. Michael realized he had been managing money wrong. He felt empowered to make a change.
Michael started by creating a budget. He used a budgeting app. It helped him track his income and expenses. He was shocked to see where his money was going. He identified areas to cut back. He reduced his dining out expenses. He found cheaper alternatives for entertainment. He negotiated lower rates for his utilities. Budgeting gave him control over his finances. Section 5. The Safety Net. Building an Emergency Fund. Michael learned the importance of an emergency fund. He started setting aside a small amount each month. He opened a separate savings account for this. Having an emergency fund gave him peace of mind. He knew he could handle unexpected expenses. A medical bill wouldn't derail his finances. A car repair wouldn't push him into debt. He was financially secure. Section 6. Investing Wisely. Planting Seeds for the Future.
The seminar taught Michael about investing. He learned about compound interest. He realized the importance of starting early. He began investing in a diversified portfolio.
He chose low-cost index funds. He invested consistently. He didn't panic when the market fluctuated. He knew that time was his greatest asset. He was patient. His investments grew steadily. Section 7. Side Hustles, Fueling the Journey to Independence. Michael wanted to accelerate his journey. He decided to take on side hustles. He started driving for a ride-sharing service on weekends. He used his skills to freelance online. The extra income boosted his savings rate. He could invest more. He could pay off his debts faster. He was on the fast track to financial freedom. Section 8. Overcoming Challenges. Resilience on the Path to Success.
Michael's journey wasn't always easy. He faced unexpected expenses. He had moments of doubt. He was tempted to give up, but he persevered. He reminded himself of his goals. He sought support from online communities. He learned from his mistakes. He became more resilient. He was unstoppable.
Section 9. Achieving Financial Freedom, Inspiring Others. This section is dedicated to those who have not only achieved financial independence, but have also become a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. It's about the journey of overcoming obstacles, making smart financial decisions, and ultimately living a life of freedom and fulfillment. After years of hard work, Michael achieved financial independence. He was debt-free. This milestone was not just a personal victory, but a testament to his perseverance and strategic planning. Michael's journey was filled with challenges, but his unwavering commitment to his goals kept him moving forward. His investments generated enough passive income. Michael diversified his portfolio, investing in stocks, real estate, and other ventures that provided a steady stream of income. This financial strategy allowed him to build a robust safety net, ensuring that he could maintain his lifestyle without the need for a traditional job. He could quit his job. This decision was a significant turning point in Michael's life. It symbolized the culmination of his efforts and the beginning of a new chapter where he had complete control over his time and choices. Leaving the corporate world behind, he embraced the freedom to pursue his passions and interests. He now lives life on his own terms. He travels the world. Michael's newfound freedom allowed him to explore different cultures, meet new people, and experience the beauty of the world. His travels were not just about leisure but also about learning and growing as an individual. He spends time with his family. He pursues his passions. Michael's financial freedom gave him the opportunity to reconnect with his loved ones and invest time in activities that brought him joy. Whether it was painting, writing, or simply enjoying a picnic with his family, he cherished every moment. He is living proof that financial freedom is possible. Michael's story serves as a powerful reminder that with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial independence. His success is not just about money, but about the freedom to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. Michael's story is an inspiration. His journey has motivated countless others to take control of their finances and strive for their own financial freedom. By sharing his experiences, he has become a source of hope and encouragement for those who are on a similar path. It teaches us the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how to manage money, invest wisely, and plan for the future is crucial for achieving financial independence. Michael's story highlights the value of financial education and the impact it can have on our lives. It highlights the power of discipline and hard work. Michael's success was not an overnight achievement. It required years of dedication, discipline, and hard work. His story reminds us that the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and that perseverance is key. It shows that anyone can achieve financial freedom. Start your journey today. Michael's story is a testament to the fact that financial independence is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. No matter where you are starting from, you can take steps today to improve your financial situation and work towards your goals. Take control of your finances. Invest in your future. The first step towards financial freedom is taking control of your finances. This means creating a budget, reducing debt, and making informed investment decisions. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable guidance and help you create a plan tailored to your needs. You can achieve your dreams. Financial freedom is not just about money, it's about having the freedom to live the life you want. By setting clear goals, staying disciplined, and continuously educating yourself, you can achieve your dreams and inspire others to do the same.